Now this is code-free, hassle-free Dyson V7 Animal. We are going to unbox it. Now Joe, you can carry on the unboxing. Slowly. Now this is the rod which we fit in the middle. This one. This is some accessories. This is the holder where we put the Dyson for charge. This is another accessories. That's for the accessory for the floor, for the carpets, for cars. This is also for carpet. This is the charger. This is the battery charger for Dyson. This is the 90-degree right angle so that we can use it under the bed. This is the extension for the this is the main heart of the vacuum. And this is the holder for the Dyson V7 8. V7 Animal. It has about 30 minutes of
charging
capacity. It takes about 3 hours to charge. Very powerful. Yeah, that's it. We can